This was initially textured. You see all these impressions were first made on the tile itself, on the raw piece. You see these little, all this, and then after that it was biscuited and then it was painted with glaze. This is all glaze painting on it.
This is beautiful.
It's like in the forest, there's a temple there and a little symbol here. It looks beautiful. I don't know how it will look.
What I
in your-
love is also how you framed it.
Yeah, I'll show you another frame I did.
It's beautiful.
Then this is another jungle plate. You see that leopard sitting there?
Yeah. I see a leopard.
A deer.
I see a deer.
Yes.
And there's a, what is that?
bird
a
here.
toucan? A bird?
A toucan, probably, yes, you can call it.
A bird.
Yes. And now it's more clear, I guess. From here, can you
Yeah.
see it?
Yeah. Beautiful.
And these are again, these are posters. All hand painted.
Beautiful.
Then these are little decoration discs that you can put on your tabletops. Can painted. This is my latest series I'm working on. These are textured backgrounds with ballerina on them.
Oh, wow.
So I'm making a set of 5 such plates, different poses of dance, the ballerina. One is this, one is this. Can you see it?
Yeah.
And then 3 of them are biscuited. They are lying here. I'll show you how it looks when it's like in a semi. This is biscuited. Can you see the?
So I'm not sure. I can see it. Now I can.
Can you see it?
Yes, yes. So I can see it like really beautifully, but I'm sure if somebody sees it in person, the
Detailing.
the texture and the
That is
detailing
what's-
here
Yes.
is the picture. The photo doesn't do it good
Now see.
justice.
Now see.
Yeah,
In light.
yeah, beautiful.
So this is half done.
Wow.
It has to be glazed now. There are 5. So I showed you 2, no?
Yeah.
Then this is the 3rd one. This is the 4th one. Can you see?
Yeah, I'm trying to get it well on. Well, I guess people have to really see it and come and
Yes.
see it in person or in different light because this
These
is
things,
beautiful.
these things once they are seen in person only, you know.
because the texture on the background
you
is
can
so
feel it.
different.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then the last piece is this. So this is going to make like one installation. This is the last piece. So I have 5 dancing pieces. Dikha?
Huh. Yeah. Beautiful.
Then I have experiments with sand. So I made this disc with sand in the clay. So you will see a shine, that silica shine in it.
Yeah.
Can you see it?
Yes, yes.
So this is going to be just done in oxide and natural.
Can you move around the plate so that maybe I can catch a shine
Yeah.
on...
Now
the
can you?
video? I can see it with my eyes, but on the camera...
Now?
No, but you'll have to come and see this in person because this is beautiful. I can see the silica shine
Yeah?
as you move the plate. Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah. Wow.
So this will just go in for a transparent glaze and that's it. These are my little experiments that I do.
So beautiful. So lovely.
This is a big biscuited bowl with flowers. It has to go for glazing. आ गया?
हाँ. See? Look at this.
Hmm.
When I bring it closer.
Closer. Probably when you see with your glasses, Reet, it'll be different. Ritu,
Yeah.
I'm confusing your names. I'm sorry.
Reet, Ritu, you have these R's
Yes.
and the T's in your life.
I like doing this also. Dervish.
Oh,
My
look
favorite.
at this.
This is a plate that I did, which is still raw.
Beautiful.
These will now go for biscuiting and then final glazing.
Beautiful.
I'm so happy that you like all this stuff. It's so
Beautiful.
And then here, I have these leaves. I got you one leaf, right? Some more leaves and there's stones that I like to make. ये गर्मी तो नहीं लग रही?
What a delight. Look at this. Look at your work.
They're looking nice.
Look at your work.
I'm so happy that you like it.
I love it. I love it. And you
These are
guys.
some raku pieces. And again some stones here.
Yeah. So beautiful. And you guys, when you come and see Googie's clay, I think when you come and see Googie's Clay Studio, and Googie, I think maybe you like Googie more than.
These are wall mirrors.
So beautiful.
And this, you like that frame, right? The wood frame. You'll have to take from that side. I have one which I have named. This is nothing. This is.
It's
that
beautiful.
fell off. It broke that piece. There was a ballerina out there. She fell down.
Oh,
So this is again one experiment I did with glazes, different glazes. This is what I'm talking about. Probably I'll switch off the light so you can see. So I have named her Kamini
and why have you named her family?
because she looks like Kamini, no? The goddess of love.
Oh,
You see the female form,
Huh?
and in the background there is a faint temple with another female form.
Oh.
You see that?
Right. Right.
And this is the female.
Yes. Beautiful.
These are old reclaimed wood pieces which I had used for the shelves of my studio. ये बचे हुए थे, so I just put them for making all this on the wall. There's some installations there. Did you cover that with a fish and all?
No, we haven't
You've
been
not
that
seen that,
side.
no?
We haven't been that side.
This is some very interesting things I like, which I think probably where I have put it is it's not very visible. This tree. I really like this. Something like this Reena has got in her house, but it's a horse. Did you see that?
No.
Did you see that ceramic horse in her house
No.
on a plate?
No.
No.
Whose house?
Reena's house.
Okay, so I haven't been to Reena's house in
Oh,
a
you
very
have.
long time.
So she took that from me. It was a lovely texture plate on which there's a galloping horse. Very
Huh.
nice.
I love
These are
these
not made.
butterflies too.
But the whole thing looks nice.
Lovely.
Then there's one dancing one here also. I don't think you'll be able to get the effect in this light.
So what is it? Tell
This
us
is
about it.
it's like a cliff kind of a thing with
Huh.
a lone tree and a dancer. This is this is more like, solitary joy and solitude. All one single.
Very interesting idea. Joy in solitude.
Very nice. This piece is
Lovely.
good. The lighting that looks very nice when it's
Lovely.
properly lit.
Yes.
The texture of the clay has come out so beautiful in this.
Right. It's beautiful. Did you do this also?
Yes, this installation is mine. The old records I had. I
Oh,
made a.
wow.
If you come from here, from here you'll be able to get a better है ना?
Yeah. It's beautiful.
And those wall birds and some fish there, bottles and my djembe drums which I like very much.
Hmm.
Then there is one, this is very interesting. See this one, very Buddhist. Come, I'll show you this. You've not seen this before.
I haven't. No.
So I had titled this Journey Inward.
Okay.
So you have these when you go on these pilgrimages, no, especially the Buddhist ones. You see these stones there. People make these stones. Have you seen them?
Yeah.
So they make that path for people who are coming.
Right.
And then there is this pagoda kind of a temple and a forest. So it's more like the inward journey.
Wow. I love the frame as well.
Yeah. The frame is an
beautiful.
old silk piece lying with me and I just framed it.
It's beautiful. What is this?
This is a four-sided vase. Is all different differently painted on all four sides.
Hmm.
All glaze painting, huh?
Hmm.
And this texture is in the clay only.
Wow. It's beautiful.
Four-side painted.
Oh, I love this. It's beautiful. And this?
These are just those normal totem pole kind of things which I had just made different shapes.
Look at this. I love this.
I named her Meri Pyari Bindu.
Meri Pyari Bindu. What a lovely name.
And there's a movie, na, Meri Pyari Bindu.
Huh.
So the day I had taken this out of the kiln, that movie had got released. So
Huh.
I just named her Meri Pyari Bindu.
Lovely. And so, Gugi, if somebody wants to get in touch with you
Yeah.
and see your stuff,
Yes.
what is the best way?
The best way is to WhatsApp me, contact number. They can give their contact number. I can send them my PDF file
Okay.
of the images of the work that I do,
Okay.
and then they can make their choice if they want to.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
And they can even place orders. Like I do limited orders. Majorly, I make what I like,
Hmm.
and if somebody likes it, very good. But if there's somebody who likes something and it's not here,
Hmm.
it's gone, I can repeat. But colors are not a guarantee.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
Because I don't get the same colors every time.
And the beauty of it is to have an extempore expression, a different expression, a different.
Yes, yes.
Right?
Yes, yes. Every piece is unique because you can't repeat the color.
Right.
These are all handmade pieces, hand glazed,
Right.
fired in a gas-fired kiln, so the results are different every time.
Right.
It could be the same glaze fired to the same temperature, but result could be different. So I don't guarantee on the color.
Color.
Yeah.
But
Each
either
piece
way,
is unique.
each piece just turns out unique and beautiful.
Yes, each piece is unique, totally handmade, from formation of the clay body
Hmm.
to making of the clay, to everything done here in the studio.
Right.
Glazed and fired also in my kiln which I have over here.
Right.
So it's all made by me, single-handed.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Thank you, Gugi. And I
You're
just,
welcome.
I know I have like multiple stuff that you made for me, and I can't even tell you how many people have said where is it from. So I'm telling you it's from Gugi's Clay Studio,
I'm truly humbled.
and Gugi is amazing.
Thank you.
She will
again.
make you stuff the way you want it, but it will come from her own conscious, her own feeling,
Yes.
her own passions,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Thank you, Gugi.
Thank you so much, Rita.